Greetings from Solbergets Badstrand in Jomala commune municipality in Åland island of Finland. So I have put my things here at this changing room over here, as it is raining right now on this 31st of August 2024, also known as my birthday. And this is the 5th beach adventure today of my beach exploration in Åland, the island, the autonomous region and group of islands. 6,700 islands consist of Åland, and this is the main one where I am right now, at Mariehamn being the capital city. And yes, so I'm out for a trip, weekend trip for my birthday, and this Saturday was so awesome, despite now having also rain and a bit chillier weather. It is 14 degrees Celsius in the air, so quite chilly, and 17 degrees Celsius in the sea. And yes, I have been swimming in much worse conditions, so this is quite nice for me. And in all the beaches that I have visited, there was nobody on the beach, because Åland, it's only 30,000 people of population, and in this main part, actually in Mariehamn, there is only 11,000 people. Right now I'm actually in a different municipality, Jomala, but it is only located just 3 kilometers from the center of Mariehamn. So this is Solbergets Badstrand, like grass beach. I'm trying to clean the camera, but it's not cleaning itself. So it is just a green area over here of the beach and a very tiny part of sand, and I really hope that it is deep enough for me not to go much further in the water, as it is raining and it starts to get a bit freezing with the wind. But yes, it is now 7:45 finish time, and the sunset is going to be in exactly 1 hour, so I'm rounding up the day, and I'm going to get some nice cake for me to enjoy and celebrate my birthday, obviously. So let's then get going and have the last swim here on my birthday, 31st of August 2024. So everything is sandy here, and this is how it looks like. And there are some houses here nearby with beautiful sea view. Yes, it was a good choice to come to Mariehamn in Åland for my birthday, as I have been mostly doing beach adventures in Stockholm recently, so it was time for a change. The weather is not the best, it could have been sunny, but actually a fact is that I have read is that Åland has the best climate. Actually, Mariehamn has the best climate from all the Nordic countries and cities, which I doubt, but yeah, this is not an example of the best weather of Nordic, because today it was sunny in Stockholm for comparison. But anyway, cool. Then let's take a swim here, as I don't want to go any more further, as I'm freezing a bit. So let's then take a swim at Solbergets Strand here in Åland. Let's go! nice, nice and warm. In the water, it's quite warmer than in the air, and I'm so triggered by seeing as much from the camera from the raindrops. But right then, that's a wrap for today, for my birthday. Thank you for celebrating the birthday with me, with my beach adventures on my channel. And yeah, greetings from Åland, Finland, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!